Hello guys, welcome to this video. Tulani here, back again with another video, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make over $100 per day using and promoting Clickbank products through Instagram, guys. This strategy that I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to show you a real life account that's actually using this strategy to make money online, and how you can do the same as a beginner without experience, just for free, using Clickbank and Instagram. So if you want to make money online using this method, make sure you stick until the very end of this video, and make sure you also like this video if it gives you value, guys. So without further ado, let's get inside my computer and let me show you exactly how you can use this strategy to start making money on Instagram today. Hello guys, so we are now inside my laptop, and if you guys do not know what Clickbank is, it's one of the largest marketplaces to find and promote affiliate products. This thing is massive. It doesn't matter whether you're trying to promote health offers, wellness offers, anything you guys can find online, you can use Clickbank to promote products online. So the first process is you're gonna go to Clickbank, open up a free account, and literally start looking for products, guys. So when we're looking for a product, guys, there are three main markers to actually find the best products in online, and I call these the golden three because these are the most money-making markers online. That is health, wealth, and love, guys. The three things, the three markers that are never gonna die. No matter whether it's 2020, people are still gonna be looking for products and looking for advice in these three categories in life, guys. So what you want to do after that, after identifying the three main markers to actually make money on Clickbank, is we're gonna go to Clickbank Marketplace. And as you can see, guys, what we're gonna target today is we're gonna create a weight loss page on Instagram, and we're gonna promote weight loss products, guys. So once you get into Clickbank, once you're searching for products, you want to sort by gravity, which is basically how much the product is getting sold, guys. Because remember, if you want to make money using Clickbank, you need to sell products which are already selling and that are already proven in order to make money, guys. So what you want to do is look for products that are already selling on Clickbank, guys. So as you can see, guys, the product which we're going to check out today is called Red Tea Detox, and it's a weight loss offer allowing people to lose weight, guys. So what you want to do, guys, is we want to promote this offer. We want to promote this product, and it's going to send people to this landing page, guys. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to go to Instagram, and as you can see, one of these great pages that I found for you guys that's using this strategy, guys, is called Fitness Recipes, guys. It's a large page. It's got 1.2 million followers, guys. But what you guys want to do, guys, is you want to create content about fitness, about whichever niche you pick. So whether it's health, wellness, whether it's love, you guys want to go on Instagram, create pictures, create videos, and create a lot of value for people looking to lose weight, guys. So as you can see in this account, they're basically showing different strategies. They're selling different products about weight loss. They're sharing different recipes that can help people lose weight, guys. So that's what you want to do. You want to add value on Instagram and target people that want to lose weight, guys. So as you can see, you can create a lot of pictures and a lot of content about weight loss, guys. But what you want to do, guys, is once you actually check the top of this page, guys, you want to use this link and promote your Clickbank offer, guys. So it's very easy to do this. You just go on, let's say we want to promote this Red Tea Detox program, which will allow people to lose weight using this, amazing red tea, guys. You want to click on promote, and as you can see, $27 is the average sale price which people are getting from this particular offer. But you want to click on promote, guys, and you want to generate a link, guys. So once you find your link, guys, you will literally just have to copy that, and literally when you go on Instagram, you put that in your bio, guys. So whenever someone wants to buy a product from Clickbank, guys, they can check out your bio and go straight to the offer, guys. But that's a great strategy. But the problem with this strategy, guys, and it will make you money, but if you want to make a lot of money, guys, what I would recommend you guys to do is to choose the more complicated strategy, which was actually a more long-term strategy. So what you guys want to do instead of this, guys, is if you guys want to connect with these people in the future and sell them more products, guys, you want to collect their email addresses, guys. So what I'd recommend you guys to do is to use this cool software which I recommend called ClickFunnels. And what ClickFunnels will allow you to do is to create landing pages, to create opt-in forms, and to basically create lead magnets, which will allow people to join your email list and extract leads, and you'll be able to email them and keep in contact with them for a long amount of time, guys. So I'd recommend you guys use ClickFunnels, and it offers a 14-day trial, and I'll leave a link to it in the description below, guys. You can basically go into it, experience it, start creating landing pages, lead pages, just like this, guys, and it will basically make a form for you that you guys can use to, let's say, give away something like a free ebook or something that will just get people into your email list. And once you do that, guys, you want to keep following up with the people, guys. So you want to keep on sending them emails about the product and basically telling them the benefits of this. But what you want to do is you want to take your link that you have in your Clickbank and literally promote that to those people, guys. And you earn an average of $27 every single time someone buys through your link, guys. So that's a very simple strategy. I will be covering this in more detail in future videos, guys, but that is how you can actually do this. But when it comes to creating content, guys, a lot of people may be wondering, how can I actually get pictures like these on my Instagram, and how can I get videos for free? Because I know a lot of people don't want to, you know, model and pose themselves to actually get their Instagram following up. So a great website you guys can use for this is called Unsplash, guys. Unsplash allows you to get free pictures from all over the internet, guys. So what you want to do is you want to search up fitness, right? Since we're targeting the fitness niche, and as you can see, there are a lot of cool pictures about fitness, guys. A lot of cool pictures about fitness. And what you can do is just take these pictures, you know, do something cool with them, add cool text with them. You can use this tool called Canva, which will allow you guys to make put text above or to create like memes about this. But you want to upload these pictures to your fitness page, guys. Add some cool captions, just like this picture is doing, and you want to keep on doing this for a large amount of time until your following grows on Instagram, guys. So a method which you guys could actually use is just following what he's doing. You could actually use other people's pictures as well to add content to your page, guys. So let's say, for example, you like this picture, guys. All you can do is you can save this picture and upload it to your Instagram profile and give them credit, because this is something this person's doing, because not all of the pictures on your Instagram have to be yours, guys. If you give people credit, they'll gladly allow you to use their pictures. And as you can see, this person's doing the same thing. He's going on these cool websites about meals and he's taking pictures of them, of their pictures, and he's basically giving them credit for the pictures he's using, guys. So you don't even need to have your own pictures to create your Instagram profile, but I'd recommend you guys use majority of your own pictures, guys. So after that, guys, after you get your Clickbank link of your product, guys, what you want to do is you want to go on Bitly, guys. You want to copy this link. And then you want to go on Bitly, which is a tool that will allow you to track every single person that clicks on your link, interacts with your link, and basically you'll be able to track how much traffic you're actually getting to that offer, guys. So I'd recommend you guys actually create a free account with Bitly, which will allow you to customize your links and do all sorts of cool stuff with that. So basically what you guys can do is create a unique link. Just paste that link there and press create. You can customize it and you can just say, let's just say fitness tea, and let's just say save. So for example, we're promoting, okay, let's say fitness T1 since that one's taken. So our link has been created, guys. We just copy this, and what you want to do is put this in the bio of your page, guys. So put this right here, guys. So what's good about Bitly, guys, is you'll be able to track every single person that goes to your product, and you'll be able to see exactly how well the offer's progressing. So if your offer's getting a few amounts of clicks, guys, a good idea would be to change the product you're promoting. So we would literally just go through the same process, and let's just say look for different weight loss products, because a lot of people may be promoting the same product you're promoting, and you do not want to be promoting a saturated product, because that will get you no sales, because a lot of people would have seen the same product over and over again, guys. So you want to keep on scrolling, and obviously we've selected the gravity option so we get the most selling ones, and you want to click on another offer. So this is another offer which is called the Fat Decimator, and is selling a lot because, as you can see guys, it has a gravity of 152 guys. So this product is selling a lot. So you want to promote products that are selling, and basically you want to change these products often guys, because if the same person keeps on seeing the same products guys, they're just gonna not be interested in any of the products you're offering. So you want to offer them new products every single time. That's why I recommend you guys to use ClickFunnels, start collecting and building an email list, so that every single time someone's on your list, you can basically pitch them over and over again and send them emails about the product, sending them to the affiliate offer, and that way you can keep on making affiliate sales even without your Instagram page in the end guys. So honestly, the strategy is killer, and you can literally find people, you know, promoting all types of products guys. So let's just say dating tips guys, dating tips, like just to show you guys how I misspelled dating, just to show you guys how the strategy is working guys. So as you can see guys, this person's just sharing memes, sharing messages about dating types. So you guys could literally create accounts about anything guys. As long as you're giving value on Instagram, people will follow your pages and people will respond to your advice and will opt in and get your freebies and buy your products guys. So that's what you guys should do if you want to make money on Instagram using Clickbank guys. So if you enjoyed this video guys, I know this was a quick video because a lot of people online are sharing different strategies that are literally outdated, not working anymore guys. Be sure to like this video and be sure to subscribe, because in this channel guys, I share strategies that can help you make money online, build a passive income using your laptop and the internet every single day guys. So be sure to check out my other videos because they can help you guys if you're looking to make money online guys. So without further ado guys, it's been awesome to have you guys today. Keep crushing it guys, and I'll see you on the next video.